Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change the rent amount on Zillow. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Zillow.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Zillow if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have the buy, rent, sell, home loans and find an agent. In the top right corner, on the other hand, we have manage rentals, advertise, help, and your profile. And in the middle of the screen, we have, as you can see, the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change the rent amount on Zillow. First of all, visit the Zillow website and log into your account. Then navigate to your Zillow Rental Manager account. Click on the property listing for which you want to change the rent amount. After you click there, then you just need to go and click on the payment tab. After clicking on the payment tab, view all payments to manage your renter's payments. Then, under the current term, locate monthly rent section and click edit. Enter the new monthly rent amount to the date you wish to change the take effect, and then click update rent amount. Your tenant will receive a notification email and will need to accept the change before the effect is due date. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything. I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.